I feel like a combination of this class and fifth hour makes you want to seek therapy.
Okay. We're going to get started. So, you can open up the shape that we were working on last time, which basically is just a box. And if you look in the class notes, we got a few more things we need to do. So, I alluded to this last time, but we need to make this, for lack of a better term, whole. Okay? You can think of this cavity. So, what we're going to do is we're going to actually go draw that hole. So click on sketch. What are we clicking on?
Sketchy.
And I'm going to actually apply the sketch to this side of the shape. So you can do this. You can actually draw on the shape that you've made. And then I'm going to, this is just me, I'm going to click on the front part of the view cube just so that, you know, it's all squared up. And you know, you can use the line tool to draw rectangles, but it's far faster and better to actually just use this rectangle tool right next to the line tool. You'll notice there's a couple options. For example, this first option, you click once to do a corner, the second clicks catty corner. If you want to explore the other options, you can see, for example, center point rectangle. You click to place the center, and then you click to place a corner. And this last one is, you know, a lined rectangle. You click 1, 2, 3. You click on 3 corners. And you might be like, well, why do you have these? Well, you might already know some things about the rectangle. Like, you might actually know exactly where the center is because it's like symmetrical about some part of your shape. Or you might have a rectangle that like is bound by existing things, and so then that 3-corner thing is really easy. It just kind of depends. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to go with the corner rectangle, the basic one. And we're just going to draw a rectangle kind of in the middle. Okay? It's inside the shape. Not really critical exactly how big it is, but it's inside the shape. Now, once we have our rectangle there, we can then dimension it. So here's the dimension tool. Now let's take a look-see here at the drawing. If you look at the drawing, you'll notice there's a 5 gap, a gap of 5 all the way around. Yeah?
Yeah.
So what we can do is we can click on dimension, and you can actually dimension that gap. So I can click on the edge of the rectangle once, and then I can click on the edge of this shape once, and now since I've clicked on 2 things, it realizes that it wants me to dimension, I want to dimension the distance between the 2. And I can make that 5. And you can do that for all 4 gaps. Notice that dimension made this side black, so it's constrained now. The other 3 sides are still blue. And as I slowly but surely dimension,
Wait, low-key Templeton? This makes sense, Chad.
I don't really think it's that bad, but some people were losing their mind.
My brain is braining right now. Is that good?
It's a very hit or miss thing. Some people like this, some people hate it.
I love hit or miss.
Low-key, bro? Ow!
So I need all 4 of those gaps to be 5.
5. Oh, shoot. What the heck? I think I got it. Jen. Templeton. We have a situation.
Hmm?
I have a situation.
Like what?
Oh, man. I don't think I can do that.
No, because you didn't draw the rectangle first. Before you started dimensioning it.
Dude.
You should have drew the rectangle inside of the rectangle.
Yeah, what he said.
Undo, not backspace.
Mozzie, why are you swinging?
You have to select something to do
You have to
backspace.
pull down the diffuser.
Things are
You're kind of zoomed in on it.
I'm really brain cell.
Hey, I